You've probably come across those super satisfying ASMR videos recently, all going super viral on TikTok and YouTube right now. Yeah, those. They're pulling in millions of views, and honestly, some people have uploaded just a few videos and already got their channels monetized. And the best part? These kinds of videos are 100% monetizable. Just look at this TikTok page. They've been uploading ASMR-style satisfying videos and gained thousands of followers and millions of likes. If you check out the views, you'll see exactly how trendy this content really is. Here's another page doing the same thing. And again, the views and followers are growing like crazy. Literally every video is pulling in thousands, even millions of views, and it's not just happening on TikTok. Over on YouTube, both long-form videos and shorts are getting insane reach. Look at this channel. They recently hit 10K subscribers, and just 9 days ago, one of their videos hit 163,000 views. That one video helped them monetize the entire channel because of the high watch time. Now they're earning passive income from it. Here's another YouTube channel. One of their videos crossed 219,000 views, and I'm 100% sure their channel is monetized now too. Their latest videos are also getting solid views. Even the shorts are blowing up. And trust me, there are tons of small creators right now who are growing super fast just with this format. But there's one problem. Creating these kinds of videos can be expensive if you use tools like Veo3, which costs around $250 per month. That's a lot, right? But hey, don't worry. The good news is that I found a tool that gives you access to Google Veo3. So by the end of this video, you'll have hundreds of viral video ideas. And the best part? You can create these satisfying ASMR videos without even needing Veo3. Yup, it's totally possible. So don't skip any part of this video. Stay till the end. Let's get started. All right, first things first. You need to find as many video ideas as possible. This could be 100 ideas or even 500. Because if you're serious about growing on social media, you'll need to post videos every single day. That's just how the algorithm works. So now, let's head over to ChatGPT and see how it can help us. This part is super important, so please watch closely. Because this entire method depends on how powerful your prompt is. The better your prompt, the better the results you'll get. Got it? So let's give ChatGPT our first prompt, which is something like this. Just copy and paste it. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will guide you step by step, telling you which image generator to use, which video tool, what kind of sound effects to add, and even how to edit it all together. Basically everything. But here's the cool part. You actually don't need all those separate tools. Yup, because I found one all-in-one tool that can handle everything in one place, from visuals to voiceovers to sound effects. I'll show you that in just a minute. But first, let's drop one more powerful prompt into ChatGPT. That is on your screen. Just pause the video, then copy and paste this. Now hit enter, and boom! You'll get a full list of amazing video ideas you can start working on right away. All right, so now you're about to witness the real magic of ChatGPT. It just gave us a full list of 100 viral video ideas. And not just random ones, these are all categorized beautifully, which is honestly amazing. I mean, just think, if you tried finding these manually, it would have taken hours of your time. But here, in just one prompt, you've got everything ready to go. So now you've got your 100 video ideas. And yes, you're going to make videos on all of them. But before we start creating the actual videos, we need one more thing. A solid prompt for each topic so we can generate the visuals perfectly. Let me show you how to do that. Next, we'll give ChatGPT another prompt. Here's what we type. Then copy and paste your first video title and hit enter. Now watch what happens. ChatGPT gives us a perfectly detailed video generation prompt, not just for one title, but it starts building prompts for the remaining ideas too. Pretty awesome, right? Then ChatGPT will ask, would you like me to continue with the rest of the 100+ ideas in this same format? Just type yes and boom, it continues generating the next 5 prompts for you. And that's it. You've now got everything you need. High quality, detailed prompts for all your satisfying video ideas. Now comes the fun part. Create high-quality ASMR visuals. Today I'm going to use this AI video generator. It's powerful, affordable, and has everything you need. I've linked it in the description below. And yes, using that special link gets you 20% off. So definitely check that out. This tool isn't just a Veo3 alternative. It actually gives you access to multiple powerful AI tools like Kling AI, Ideogram, Luma Labs, 11 Labs, and more, all in one platform. Once you sign up from the link, you'll see a simple, clean dashboard. Super user-friendly and easy to navigate. But wait, don't get fooled by the simplicity because this tool is seriously powerful. So let's dive in and see what makes this tool so special. So here, you'll get 2 editing modes to choose from. In the first one, you can directly paste your script and generate the video using that script. And in the second mode, you can start completely from scratch. Now, which one you should use depends on the type of video you're making. Since we're planning to create a TikTok-style ASMR video using a visual prompt and not a written script, we'll start from scratch. So I'm just going to click on Explore from Scratch. Okay, and this is our editing dashboard where we'll be working to generate the video. This is your timeline here, and over here is your media catalog. Now the very first step is to generate a video. On the left-hand side, you'll see a visuals option. This is where you go to create your video. Right now, this space is blank. If you've already created some images or video assets earlier, you can simply drag and drop them here. But since we want to generate the video right now, let's go ahead and start fresh. Once you click into this section, you'll see a bunch of options like video, image, image to video, lip sync, and more. From here, we'll select video. All right, next we need to choose an AI model. And honestly, this is the most powerful part of this tool. Just look at the options. You get access to some of the most advanced and realistic AI video models out there. And here's the exciting part. Yes, it even supports Google Veo3, the one everyone's been talking about lately. It can generate both video and audio together, which is super powerful. But keep in mind, each AI model uses credits differently, so just be aware of that while generating. Okay, so let's try out AIV Consistent first. After that, we'll test AIV Consistent Pro, and finally, we'll check out Google Veo3, just to compare and see which model gives us the most impressive results. Now, after choosing your model, select your video format. You can generate in portrait or landscape, depending on where you plan to post the video. Since we're making this for TikTok, I'll select portrait. Then we'll set the video duration. You can go up to 10 seconds, which is perfect for short form content. So let's go ahead and select 10 seconds. All right, now finally, it's time to enter the prompt. So I'm just going to copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it right here into the tool, then click on generate. Just a quick heads up. This action will use about 50 credits. All right, the video is now being generated and it should be ready in under a minute. In the meantime, let's go ahead and generate a couple more videos for comparison. For the third one, I'm going to use the AIV Consistent Pro model. Let's see which model ends up generating the most satisfying video. Okay, all three videos are now ready. Let's check out the first video. Whoa, the quality is really superb. It actually gives you that smooth and satisfying ASMR vibe. Now the second video also looks very cool. Again, super clean from start to finish, with no weird or unwanted elements. The third video, where we switched the AI model to Pro, honestly, that one turned out pretty awesome too. So overall, I'd say the results are really impressive. But if we want these clips to feel like real ASMR videos, we definitely need to add sound effects. That's what will give us that Veo3 level quality experience. To do that, first drag and drop all three video clips into the timeline. Then go to the sound effects section. Here, you'll need to enter a prompt to generate the sound. Now, if you're not sure how to write the perfect sound effect prompt, don't worry. Just hop into ChatGPT and type something like, "Hey ChatGPT, can you give me a realistic ASMR-style sound effect prompt for a jelly watermelon being sliced?" ChatGPT will generate the perfect prompt for you. Just copy it and paste it into the tool, then hit generate. Oh, and don't stress about credits here. The best part is you can generate unlimited sound effects for free without using up any credits. Awesome, right? So the sound effect is now ready. Let's give it a listen. First, I'll drag and drop it onto the timeline, then turn the volume all the way up. And now, let's hear it. Okay, I'm honestly not super happy with this one. No problem. Let's try again with a new prompt and generate another sound. I'll replace the old sound with this new one, turn up the volume again and listen. Yes, this one feels a lot better. It's more realistic and matches the vibe we want. And since we can create unlimited sound effects, feel free to experiment with different prompts until you find the perfect one. It actually took me 3 tries to get one that felt just right. Let's hear this third one. Perfect, right? So that's how you generate your video and matching ASMR-style sound effects, all from one tool. Super cool. Now let's move on to the part you've probably been waiting for, Veo3. But before we do that, I want to test something quickly. I'm going to generate the same video in landscape format instead of portrait, using the exact same prompt. All right, now let's head back to the model selection, and this time I'll choose Google Veo3. I'll switch the video format to landscape as well. I'm going to use the same prompt as before. This will help us see the clear difference between models. So I'll just copy and paste it again and hit generate. But remember, Veo3 will use more credits than the other models. The good news? It'll generate super high quality videos with audio included. And it's much faster too. Okay, now both videos are ready. The first one here is the version we already generated in portrait format. And yep, even in landscape, it looks fantastic. Now let's check the second video, the one generated using Google Veo3 AI model. All right, let's watch. So, as you just saw, the video created using the Veo3 model turned out absolutely amazing. And not just the visuals, the sound effects were synced perfectly with the video. That's the edge Veo3 has. Of course, it gives you slightly better video and sound quality compared to the other models, because honestly, it's one of the most powerful AI video models available right now. Now let's push it a bit further and try generating a couple more videos using Veo3 in both portrait and landscape formats. So just copy and paste the prompt again, hit generate, and boom. 3 more videos are ready. But before I show them to you, if you're enjoying this tutorial and it's helping you out, then please consider liking this video, dropping a comment, and of course, subscribing to the channel. This video isn't sponsored. I purchased the tool subscription just so I could test and share it with you all. Cool? Let's continue now. All right, now check this out. All 3 newly generated videos look incredibly powerful. Honestly, I'm super impressed with Veo3. And again, the sound effects it adds are just next level. So the conclusion is clear. With Veo3, you can generate high-quality videos in both portrait and landscape with built-in, perfectly synced sound effects. Now, yes, the other AI models also give you great video quality, but you'll need to generate and add the sound effects separately in those AI models, which is totally fine. It just takes a bit of extra time. No big deal. Once you're done creating all your videos, you can easily download them one by one from here. For videos made with Veo3, they'll download with sound effects already included. Super convenient. But for videos made using the other AI models, if you want to download them with the sound effect added, then you'll need to do this. First, drag and drop both the video and sound effect onto the timeline. Make sure you don't mix portrait and landscape videos together. Export one format at a time. Set your output format. Choose portrait or landscape. Then finally, hit download and you're done. So yeah, that's how easy it is to generate, customize, and download your own satisfying ASMR-style videos using AI. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing, which is something like this. In my opinion, the creator or the director plan is perfect. Especially the director plan because you get a huge credit limit and a bonus of 3,100 credits on top of that. So yeah, it's way more value for money. And guess what? If you use the special link I've given in the description, you'll get an exclusive 20% off. So overall, compared to Veo3, this tool is actually affordable, flexible, and super powerful. Totally worth it for anyone serious about content creation. So if you're thinking of starting, then start right now. Don't wait, because someone else out there will take this idea and run ahead of you. Also, in this video, I'm reviewing another amazing AI video tool where you can generate trending videos like AI hugging, AI kissing, and so much more.